Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So, to get started, you'll want to open up content that you wish to capture, which, for me, I'll be using the home screen as an example for this. So for me, the home screen is already open and visible. Make sure that whatever you want to capture on the screenshot is right now open and visible on your screen. And once it is, press the power button and the volume down at the same time, like so. It gets you this pop-up with the share and scroll shot options at the bottom. And share obviously allows you to send it to some people. Scroll shot allows you to capture a long version of a screenshot if the content can be scrolled down on. It can't be here. But as an example, web browser or something like settings, you could capture a long version, so you'd basically keep capturing more and more of the screen going down, and it would be in a single continuous image. So that's something that you could utilize this option for. Now, once you capture your screenshot, you can locate it by going into the gallery, and typically it would be located in the Photos tab, which might actually show your screenshots, but there is a better way, no matter what, to find your screenshots, and that would be by going into Albums, and in Albums you'll find a screenshot album. And here you can see screenshots and screen recordings, and here's the shot that I have captured just a moment ago. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.